Alright children, now today I'm going to explain you chapter 1, which is computer, a storage and memory device. Okay, now first of all I would like to explain you the topic is data and information. Now if you just open your computer book, page number 6, we all know that a computer cannot work on its own. That I have already told you that computer cannot work on its own. We have to enter something, right? And what do we enter? We enter data. So we need to enter certain set of characters and instructions into the computer to make it work. So what do we enter? We enter characters, we enter alphabets, digits, special characters, and all these things. They represent what they represent? They represent facts or figures, and it is known as data. Okay, it is known as data. So, what is a data? Data is a raw, unorganized fact. Okay, data is a raw, unorganized. Raw means which does not have any meaning. Okay, raw means which does not have to have any meaning, and it needs to be processed. It needs to be processed. Data, as you can see over here on the screen, you can see over here it is written data is raw, unorganized facts that need to be processed. Okay, so what is a data? Data is a raw which does not have any meaning. Unorganized, it is not organized. Facts that needs to be processed. Data can be something simple and seemingly random and useless until it is organized. So data is not useful unless and until it does not carry any meaning to it. Okay, when you get the meaning, what that becomes? That becomes information. That becomes information. So that means when the data is processed, that data becomes information. Now in the book also it is written, when this data is processed by the processing unit, that is CPU, it is known as information. So you can say that data is unorganized facts and figures, and processed data is information. Let's give you an example. If I say 2 plus 2, so what is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is data because it does not carry any meaning to it. But if I say 2 plus 2 equals to 4, so that becomes complete information. That becomes complete information. Now in the book also, the few examples are given. Example from our day-to-day life. Your father bought cloth from the market and gave it to the tailor to stitch a kurta pajama out of it. So in this case, cloth is considered as data and kurta and pajama is considered as information. Okay.